beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I'm Kate from Pixie Designs, and I would like to show you some of the things that I have been given from a wonderful lady, Kerry, from Which Craft Do You Do. I'm going to list her shop and her YouTube channel and Instagram below, because she's been so generous to support and sponsor our retreat. So these, in this box here, this is some of the stuff that's going to go in the ladies' packs, and also stuff that I've purchased, which is going to go in the packs as well. So look at this beautiful box of yumminess. So Kerry in Which Craft You Do has a really extensive sort of range of sari silk, and I wanted to provide some of that in the ladies' packs. So I bought these two hanks. I thought these were just such pretty colours, and we've got a kind of a botanical theme going on, so I'm hoping that these will unravel and be just really pretty. I love this green. I don't know how to even start unraveling it, but I'll work that out. And this lovely pink, which I love and I will use. I know I'll use this a lot as well. So those are going, some of that is going to go in the packs, in the kits. And so is one of these, or some of these little flowers. Now I purchased these because I wanted to put some little flowers, and I've got some other ones that are going in the kit. I will do a show and tell of the entire retreat inspiration kit, junk journal kit, but it won't go up till after the retreat, and as this video probably won't either. I actually bought this yellowy gold one for myself because I am doing a yellow journal, but I'm just actually thinking that might not be the right colour for that, but I will use it anyway. And then she also has rolls and smaller packs of seam binding. So I bought this cream seam binding because you can dye it, and yeah, so I bought a roll of that, and so everyone will be getting a bit of coffee dyed seam binding in their kit. Now what they have provided for everybody who's coming to the retreat is a $10 gift voucher for digital downloads, which is awesome, and also this little pack here. I'm going to open it. So everybody in their kit is going to get one of these. And so these are like a really light chipboard laser cut die cut. So there's little hole reinforcers. There's these cool little labels and frame things and tags. There's this sort of botanical themed cut out here, and yeah, so that's what they're getting. How cool is that? And then two little stencils, little botanical stencils by the looks. Let's have a look. So all these things are available to purchase in Kerry's store, so go and have a look. She's online, so that's amazing. So that is what we have got from Which Craft Do You Do to go into each pack for everybody who's coming. There's 17 of us all together, and or there was. I'm actually filming this before the fact, just so I can get it done and use these things, unravel these things. So yeah, so that's for those bits. And the other thing is, she has provided us with a wonderful prize for some lucky person. We're not doing competitions or anything. We are going to be doing just spot prizes, so probably draw names, or if I can come up with some other way. So yeah, I'm going to have a sneaky peek at this and show you, but I'm not going to put this video up until after the retreat. But I'd like to show you what's in this. So it comes in this beautiful tissue, as you can see. And each package that she sends comes in this tissue, and so in here we have a whole lot of Tim Holtz goodies. So these transparent alpha tiles, these stars, these feathers and arrows, so a whole lot of metal things. This looks like actually some stuff slipped out of it, so I wonder if we'll find that as we go down. But these awesome, you know, these word philosophy tags, they're so cool. This amazing stamp set, or 2 alpha stamp sets. These are foam stamps. And a set of washi tape, which is also ideology. So there's that. Then again, there's some more of these amazing die cut chipboard tags and some little tag dies, stencils I mean, and some more of these die cut chipboard frames and things. In here there's another little pack, and this looks like it has some vintage. It has a postcard and a doily, so that's a little vintagey pack with a rub on. And oh, there's one of our little missing things, so I can put that back in. This is some lovely cheesecloth and a pack of doilies and some really interesting papers in here. I don't really want to open up the whole thing because this is someone's this is someone's prize. But let's have a look. This kind of looks a little bit like wallpaper of some description, but it's quite cool novelty embossed paper. And then in here is some more of that beautiful tissue that she uses to wrap things, and some printouts and some other cool sort of wrapping paper in there. So how amazing is this bundle? So you can go to her shop and purchase one of these bundles, and I will link them below. They're called the mega bundles, I think, and look at how mega they are. So there's a little mixed pack of sari ribbon and a mixed pack of lace, and I think there might be napkins in here. I don't want to open that, but it feels like and looks like a selection of napkins. So how cool is that pack? So yeah, I just wanted to show you so that we could get a good look at it, because when someone opens it at camp, at retreat, we will be filming it, but we might not get a good look, and I wanted you all to have a good look. I wanted to especially thank Kerry and Renee for supporting the retreat. I feel really lucky that they've done that. So these are really cool. I would love some of these. These little metal tags. So what an amazing prize. How generous of Kerry. So please, if you haven't been to Kerry's shop, which craft you do, I would really appreciate it if you live, especially if you live in Australia or New Zealand, you would go and support Kerry and show us some love. Even if you just go and visit her YouTube channel and say, oh, Kate showed us your prize, and things like that. Oh no, that's not right either. I haven't done that right. That's okay. I will fix that up. So yeah, so that is that. I hope you've enjoyed looking at that, and there will have been lots of footage of camp over the last few days, and yeah, it was an amazing time. I'm going to say that in advance because I'm pretty excited about it, and I'm pretty sure it will be an amazing time. And yeah, I just wanted to show you that and support Kerry and her shop, Which Craft Do You Do. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.